Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your tag on Xbox app. So to do that, open the Xbox app on your iPhone, Android or PC, then sign in with your Microsoft account if needed. Then from there, tap your profile icon in the bottom right for mobile or top left on PC, then select customize profile. Then from there, change the game tag, tap your current game tag, then enter a new game tag and must be unique. Yeah, so it has to be unique. Then from there, tap check availability. If the name is taken, try a variation which is different type of names. After that, confirm the change. Then if available, tap claim it to confirm. Then your game tag will update across Xbox service. And note, here is a key important thing: first tag is free, then additional charges may cost a fee. So it means that if that's your first time of changing your game tag, then it is free. But after that, if you want to change your game tag, then additional fee will be added for changing of game tag. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.